You are about to take another green energy adventure with me, Jay Nygaard, the Turbine Guy. Well, today we're going to be switching out a microinverter from the back of this Solar World module. And the nice thing about how these are mounted right here this way is that you can get right at the microinverter without having to remove the module. If this was a flush mounted system, nice and flat to the roof, you would have to take the module off in order to get at the microinverter to work on it. The tools needed for today's microinverter switch out include a special wiring decoupler for solar modules that you can buy on eBay pretty easily. You can see it here. You've got a Phillips screwdriver. You need the rounded end so you have the right diameter to poke through the hole to disconnect a couple of clips. Always nice to have a flathead screwdriver to pry things apart easily without damaging them. 10mm wrench is going to loosen the bolts to allow you to remove the microinverter and replace it. And then we also want some sort of covering material for the modules when we disconnect them. Okay, I have located the combiner box where all the breakers come together for this system. And we will shut off the string that I've identified as having that microinverter on it. But before you get started, you always want to make sure that you cover the module so that you don't have any voltage. You want to knock this down so it's not working. Use something heavy enough that's not going to blow away in the wind, because you don't want to be connecting or disconnecting your microinverters when you have a load on them. Okay, now we're under the module with our handy dandy installation tool, and we take this on the one side for the one clip, get it in there good, and that clip will pull apart. Then we take it and we insert it on the inside parts of this guy, and we pull it apart, and now we got that one apart. Now our inverter is disconnected and ready to be removed. Okay, to remove the inverter wiring from the electrical string that goes into the box, simply get a screwdriver the right size, get it in there to release the springs. You get this side started, come in, do it again over to here, and pop the whole thing out. So now we get our 10mm wrench, get up on top of here and loosen this bolt. And once we have this bolt finger tight, then this inverter slides right out. Okay, to put our Enphase M250 microinverter back in the replacement, we simply get the screw in the slot up here, work it into place, things tight, and then you tighten this bolt. Once that bolt is tight, you bend over, plug the microinverter in, and then you come over this way and plug your wires in. And last but not least, let's go uncover the modules. Now that we're all done with the project, we simply grab these things, walk away, and it's up and ready for action. Okay, the last thing to do is to turn that string back on, and we're up and running. Well, thanks for joining us once again for a green energy adventure with me, the Turbine Guy. And if you have any questions for me or you want to contact me about something, you can always find me at my website, gogreenenergyonline.com, gogreenenergyonline.com, and find my email address on the contact page.